Our universe is not just vast, it's ever-expanding, a cosmic phenomenon that stretches the limits of our imagination and challenges our very understanding of reality. The sheer enormity of the cosmos is so profound that it resists easy comprehension, making even our most advanced scientific instruments seem like primitive tools in the face of the infinite. Yet, despite these challenges, humanity's relentless curiosity has driven us to peer into the farthest reaches of space. And now, thanks to groundbreaking technology like the James Webb Space Telescope, we are closer than ever to uncovering the universe's deepest secrets. This telescope, often hailed as a marvel of modern engineering, has opened an unprecedented window into the past, allowing us to glimpse light that has traveled across billions of years, revealing the raw, unfiltered infancy of galaxies, stars, and possibly the conditions that birthed life itself. Since the James Webb Space Telescope began its historic mission, scientists from around the globe, including noted physicists like Brian Cox, have been flooded with data that is transforming our understanding of space. Their findings reinforce a staggering reality: the universe is far more immense and mysterious than previously imagined. Within just the observable portion, the section we can currently detect and study, there are an estimated 2 trillion galaxies. Let that number sink in. 2 trillion distinct galactic systems, each with billions of stars and countless planets. And that's just what we can see. The observable universe is merely a snapshot, a small glimpse into an almost unimaginable expanse that likely extends forever, beyond the limits of our detection. It's possible that we live in a universe without end, an endless cosmic ocean stretching in all directions. But amid this cosmic immensity, we must recognize something truly humbling: we are not separate from this universe, we are an intrinsic part of it. The atoms in our bodies, the particles in our cells, were forged in ancient stars that lived and died long before Earth existed. In essence, we are the universe becoming self-aware, conscious beings reflecting upon the vastness that birthed them. When we look at the night sky, we are looking at a mirror of our own origin. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we embark on a journey not just of discovery, but of profound connection to the cosmos. If you're intrigued by the mysteries of space and eager to stay updated with the latest revelations, consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and enabling notifications. Let's explore the cosmos together. To truly grasp the scale of the universe, let's anchor ourselves with something familiar: speed. Imagine you're traveling at 70 miles per hour, the speed of a car on the highway. At this speed, it would take you about 15 days to circle the Earth's equator once. Now, extend that journey. Reaching the moon would take approximately 5 months of non-stop travel. Setting your sights on Mars at its closest approach. That would be a 63-year road trip. But if you're feeling particularly adventurous and want to journey to Neptune, the farthest planet in our solar system, you'd be driving for an astonishing 4,400 years. These numbers are staggering, yet they only cover our own solar system, which itself is a mere speck in the grand cosmos. Let's take a look at something even faster than any car or spacecraft: the Voyager 1 probe. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 has been traveling through space for nearly 5 decades at a breakneck speed of 38,000 miles per hour. Despite this blistering pace, it took Voyager 1 35 years just to exit the solar system in 2012. Imagine that, 35 years of travel at incomprehensible speed, and it only got through our cosmic backyard. Now, consider light, the universe's ultimate speedster. Light can circle the Earth 7 times in just 1 second, and yet, when we talk about cosmic distances, even light faces a daunting task. Light from our Sun takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. Light from the nearest star system, Alpha Centauri, takes 4.3 years. That means when we look at Alpha Centauri, we are seeing it as it was over 4 years ago. If Voyager 1 were headed in that direction, it would take roughly 77,000 years to arrive. Let's push farther into the cosmos. Consider Betelgeuse, a red supergiant star located 640 light-years from Earth. That means when you look at Betelgeuse, you're seeing it as it was in the early 1400s, during the age of medieval Europe and before the first European explorers reached the Americas. It's a powerful reminder: the farther we look into space, the deeper we peer into the past. And it's not just stars we've been broadcasting to. Our radio transmissions, emitted over the past century, have been radiating outward into space, forming an expanding sphere of human-made signals now reaching roughly 15,000 star systems. While this number seems impressive, it's only a minuscule fraction of the stars in the Milky Way, estimated to be around 300 billion in total. To understand our place in this immense galaxy, imagine shrinking the solar system down to the size of a quarter. On a map of the United States, the Milky Way, scaled accordingly, would stretch across the entire globe. Within this vast spiral galaxy, 300 billion star systems swirl through space, many potentially hosting life-bearing planets. And beyond our galaxy lies Andromeda, a behemoth galaxy 2.5 million light-years away. It's hurtling toward the Milky Way at 250,000 miles per hour, and in about 4 billion years, the two galaxies will merge in a cosmic ballet. Surprisingly, despite this collision of galaxies, the likelihood of individual stars colliding is low due to the immense distances between them, like two swarms of bees merging without a single bee touching another. Zooming out, we encounter the Local Group, a collection of over 50 galaxies including the Milky Way and Andromeda. This group belongs to the Virgo cluster, housing more than 1,500 galaxies. And that cluster is part of the Laniakea supercluster, our galactic address in the universe, home to 100,000 galaxies. But even Laniakea is dwarfed by the greater universe, which contains about 10 million superclusters, each brimming with galaxies, stars, planets, and perhaps life. All of this structure is woven into the cosmic web, a vast, interconnected lattice of galaxies, gas, and dark matter stretching across the cosmos. Between these filaments lie voids, immense empty regions of space, spanning hundreds of millions of light-years. The universe is not uniform, but a grand tapestry of dense clusters and lonely voids, shaped by gravity, time, and cosmic forces beyond our full understanding. Within galaxies, the life cycles of stars give rise to dramatic events. Supernovae, the explosive deaths of massive stars, scatter heavy elements, carbon, oxygen, iron, throughout the cosmos. These elements are the building blocks of planets and life. Meanwhile, black holes anchor galaxies, some devouring matter and spewing jets of energy across space. Quasars, supermassive black holes consuming matter at an extraordinary rate, shine brighter than entire galaxies, acting as lighthouses from the early universe. And beyond it all lies the greatest mystery: what exists past the limits of what we can see. Because the universe is expanding, some regions are receding from us faster than light can travel. Their light will never reach us, and these regions will remain forever hidden. It's as if we're surrounded by a cosmic horizon, beyond which lies the unknowable. Some scientists believe the universe is at least 250 times larger than what we can observe. Others suggest it might be infinite, stretching forever, a boundless expanse filled with uncountable galaxies, stars, and worlds. Contemplating these mind-bending distances and timescales inspires awe and humility. We are inhabitants of a small planet orbiting a modest star, yet we are capable of pondering the universe's grand design. We build telescopes, send spacecraft beyond the solar system, and reach for the stars, not because it's easy, but because we must understand our place in the cosmos. Have you ever stopped to consider the true size of the universe, and what lies beyond. If this journey into the depths of space has sparked your curiosity, share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest cosmic discoveries from Waves Discovery. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking up, because the universe is waiting.